Kubernetes cost management best practices for efficient scaling. Kubernetes is a game changer for scaling applications. But without the right cost management strategies, your cloud bills can skyrocket. In this video, we'll explore the best practices to keep your Kubernetes deployments efficient and cost-effective. Let's dive in. First up, right-sizing your resources. Too many resources, you're wasting money. Too few, you risk performance issues. Balance is key. Use horizontal pod autoscaling, HPA, to dynamically adjust the number of pods based on demand. Define resource requests and limits to prevent overallocation and optimize memory and CPU usage. Want to cut costs? Use spot instances. These are cheaper but can be interrupted. Perfect for non-critical, stateless applications. Combine spot instances with Kubernetes node autoscaling to maximize savings. Use taints and tolerations to keep critical workloads off spot nodes. Cluster autoscaler ensures you only use the resources you need. Set up different node pools for various workloads. Monitor resource usage with tools like Prometheus and Grafana. Use cost management tools to keep expenses in check. Cloud provider tools: AWS Cost Explorer, Google Cloud Cost Management. Kubernetes-specific tools: Kubecost, Kubernetes cost analysis. Networking costs add up. Optimize your cluster's data flow. Use internal load balancers instead of public ones. Apply network policies to control traffic and reduce overhead. Stay ahead of costs with proactive monitoring and alerts. Use Prometheus and Grafana for real-time cost tracking. Set budget alerts in cloud providers to get notifications before exceeding limits. Cost management is an ongoing process. Review Kubernetes resource usage regularly. Optimize workloads for efficiency by refining pod definitions and configurations. Running multiple teams on the same Kubernetes cluster. Make sure costs are fairly allocated. Use namespaces and resource quotas to manage team usage. Tag resources for accurate chargebacks to specific departments or projects. Storage is often overlooked. Optimize it to avoid unnecessary expenses. Use volume lifecycle policies to automatically delete and use storage. Choose the right storage type based on workload demands. Unexpected spikes in costs. Detect anomalies before they drain your budget. Use tools like Kubecost or AWS Cost Anomaly Detection to flag irregular expenses. Implement cost forecasting to predict and manage budgets better. Not all workloads need Kubernetes. Consider serverless for stateless tasks. Use AWS Lambda, Google Cloud Functions, or Azure Functions where applicable. Hybrid approach. Kubernetes for stateful workloads. Serverless for event-driven apps. Commit to reserve instances and save big on predictable workloads. Evaluate reserved instances for long-term savings. Regularly review commitments to adjust for changing workloads. Scaling with Kubernetes doesn't have to break the bank. Implement these best practices to optimize costs while ensuring efficiency. Right-size resources and use autoscalers wisely. Leverage cost management tools and continuous monitoring. Optimize storage, networking, and workload allocation. Use reserve instances and spot instances for maximum savings. Let's get started. Schedule free meeting at Kubeify.com today.